the first sense. So there is a sentence given and they are asking to find the score for each of the sense finding the context word. So you have to use the algorithm to calculate the score. I have to calculate the score for each sense. So how many senses I have? What is the root word here? Root word is what? What is the root word? Bark. So what are the two senses? They told two senses for the root word bark. What is the sense one meaning and what is the sense two represents? Sense one represents the bark, represents what?
Sound
of the dog. Okay, the barks, dog barks. So sound of the dog. Sense two is what? Bark. Sense two of the stem of the tree, bark. Okay, so you have to use that. You have to calculate the score and find out which sense is more appropriate for the given sentence. Mary has a puppy dog which eats meat and fish. By seeing it, you can say which is the most appropriate sense. Before calculating itself, by seeing it, which sense is the more appropriate sense for the given sentence? For the root word. Sense one or sense two? Sense one. Sense one, but you have to prove it. Okay, so what you have to identify? First thing, you have to write the sentence. Second one, you have to identify, you have to write the root word is bark. And third one, you have to write sense one, sound of the dog, sense two, stem of the tree. Since everything is clearly given. If it is not given, only root word is given, then you can identify senses. Okay, for example, orange. Okay, if I am giving my sentence has a word orange and I am giving only the root word is orange. So what are the senses orange can have? At least minimum 2-3 senses you can able to identify. I have clearly given everything in the problem here. Sometimes sense will not be given. Okay, so orange is a fruit which is round in shape and it is sour in taste. This is my sentence. Okay, for the sentence, calculate the score for each by identifying the sense and by finding the context word, whereas the root word for the given sentence is orange. Okay, so what are the senses you will identify? See here, senses is also given. So everything is clearly given in the problem. Sometimes sense will not be given. If sense is not given for the above example, what will be your sense? The root word they have given orange. Orange is a fruit which is round in shape and it is sour in taste. This is a sentence given. Consider the sentence orange is a fruit which is round in shape and sour in taste. Use Walker's algorithm to calculate the score by identifying the sense and the context words where the root word for the given sentence is orange. Find which sense is more appropriate for the given sentence. That is a second problem. So what you will do?
Mama, orange as a color and orange as a fruit.
Yeah, orange is one sense is color and other sense is a fruit. Any other sense you have? Anybody else can able to identify? Orange is a fruit which is like that. They will give some sentence. Sorry, something went wrong. So the two senses are, one is what he has told, what one is the color, one is the orange represents the color. Orange is a fruit which is round in shape and sour in taste. Sentence, this is a second question. Okay, so for this sentence you have to identify the context word where the root word is. They will give the root word orange, or if the root word is not given, can you able to identify which will be the root word for the sentence which they are mainly concentrating? The multiple meanings, ambiguity, which is the root word here, which is the main thing. The sentence is talking about what? What is the root word here? If root word is not given in the problem, how you will identify a root word? Which is the root here? Main concept, core word.
Orange.
Orange. So sometimes root word will be given. In order to avoid all this confusion, mostly root word will be given. If it is not given also, you should be able to find out. Okay. So find root word, comma, context word, comma, senses. Sense for context word or root word? Sense will be
root word.
Root word. Calculate the score. Okay, so you have to identify. So this is a second question. Okay, I'll keep on adding the questions here. Don't worry. Okay. So first question, can you all able to make out, right? So you have to create a table. First thing you have to identify the root, right, root word. Next you write sense one of the root word, sense two of the root word. Identify the context word. Okay, so you create a table. In the table, the first table, the 2 columns will be there. 3 columns will be there. One is the context word, second is a sense 1, third column is a sense 2. So in the context word, you write what are all the context words you can able to identify from the given sentence. Then for each context word, whether the context word related to sense 1 or sense 2. If it is related to sense 1, plus 1 you put it. If it is related to sense 2, there you put plus 1. If it is not related to sense 1 and sense 2, put 0 everywhere. Then add the total count and find the score. Whichever sense has the highest score, that sense is appropriate sense for the given sentence. We have seen an example, right? What is an example we have seen? What is an example we have discussed in that slide? Money, bank 8% annum, right? Fetches an 8% of annum, right? Per annum. That is an example we have seen, right? Yes or no? Please tell yes or no. We have seen one example, right? Bank 8% per annum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if you have any doubts, you can look into the slides. Slides already I have posted in the file section and do the first problem. Okay, that is later to that. Second one, the same thing. Nothing is given here. You identify the root word, context word, then create a table, then find the senses, create root word, context word, senses you identify, then you create a table, calculate the score, and finally tell which is the highest score. So this find which sense is more appropriate for the given sentence. The same problem. Okay, 2 things I have given here. Then third question, consider the following data set. This question is based on what? Can you read out and tell me? Only till here. Whichever I have highlighted. This is distributional semantics or lexical semantics and how to proceed with this problem. Anyone, can you explain the steps so that others it will be easy for you? Read the question thoroughly. Can anyone tell how to proceed with this problem? Already we have done a sample problems in the class itself. One example I have told. I want you to do one more example problem as a tutorial. That's why I have given one on each thing. Can anyone? Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me how to proceed with this problem? We have 5 steps, right? First, what you have to identify? I told you, no? Soccer game, football. We have identified, right? One example I have given, right? One data set having 5-6 sentences. Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you able to recollect that example? Can you able to recollect that example, students? Football, soccer game. We have identified all this. No, one paragraph I have given some 6 sentences. Yes or no? Please answer, students. Who knows the steps to solve this? Can anyone explain the steps to solve this?
First we find the target words.
Very good. Target words.
Then the context words, the vocabulary.
Okay. Context words are the words which represent the characteristics of the dimensions or characteristics of the target words, right? Okay. Yes. First, you have to identify the main target words. If you don't know, please note down that in your notebook. First thing, you have to identify the target words. Some 3-4 words you can identify. Second thing, what Vishnu told, you have to identify the context words. Context words are nothing but the characteristics. For example, if it's a car, it's a wheel, it's a part of a car. So it's the characteristics or features or vocabulary represents the target words are called as the context words. Second thing, context words is done, Vishnu. Third one, what you have to do? Identify the context window. Okay, identify the context window. So in this question, what is the context window they have given? The complete sentence. Entire sentence. Consider the entire sentence as context window. Everything is given. Okay, context window. Fourth one, what you have to do? Draw the co-occurrence matrix. Draw the co-occurrence matrix. The matrix is which cross which? It's a 2-dimensional matrix having which cross which I have to draw? Target words cross context words. Context word. That also is given. See, construct target words cross context words. So fourth one, you have to find the co-occurrence matrix. Fifth one, what you have to do? Find the dot product of Find the dot product of from that matrix. After finishing the matrix, whether you leave it as such or what you have to infer from that.
Ma'am, the target words dot product between them.
Between the target words, you have to find the dot product of all combinations of all. Okay. Then after that, see, I will show you. Then whichever is the highest, that is more related, and whichever is the lowest, that is not related. Okay. So they are semantically similar, and you have to show semantically dissimilar. These are all you can show. These two words are semantically dissimilar. Some set of words. These set of words are semantically similar. Okay. Next. Give an example. Third question. This is first question. This is second question. This is third question which we have discussed. Fourth one. Give an example for homophones, meronyms, a part of relationship, synonyms, antonyms, hypernymy, hyponymy. Hyponymy is what? Hypernymy and hyponymy is represents what? General to specific, specific to? General to specific and specific to? Hypernymy, general. Hypernymy and hyponymy are inverse of each other, right? Meronym and is a inverse of what? Meronym and what is the other part of meronym?
Holonym.
Holonym. Good. Polysemy. So for all these, you have to make an example. Don't copy the example whichever is given in the slides. If you want, you can go through the slides and you make your own examples, different examples which is not there in the slide. So that you can think in that way to make some examples, some new examples on that. Okay. So these are all the 4 questions which you have to do it today. If you have any doubt, you can look into the slides. Slides already I have put up in the file section. If you want, I can open it and show how to do that matrix. 1 minute. Not here. Today you do this, tomorrow we'll solve the problems on CKY algorithm. Okay, that we have not done the remaining problems. That too with probability we have not done, right? PCFG we have not done, right? Have you all completed that or not? Tell yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
I've completed it.
How many of you have completed? Can you raise your hands? 5 problems I have given, right? Please raise your hands. I will check it later. I'll show here distributional semantics, right? You can go through the slides and start doing the problems. I'll show that once, whichever we have discussed in the class, so that you can use the same type to identify the target words, context window, how to create a matrix, then how to make a dot product. Okay. If you know, you can start doing it. If you don't know, you wait. I'll show this slide here. See, this is what I want. This is the one which I have given here for you. This is a data set having how many points I have, how many sentences I have given there in your example. Word file. 6 sentences are here. See, this is my sample data set. Okay, for the sample data set, first you have to identify the target words, the main words. Then you have to identify the term vocabulary. It is also called as the context words or features or characteristics, which represents the target word. This is your second one. After identifying that, you have to create a context, identify the context window in which size the word is appearing. So that here the context window they have given as the entire sentence. So then after that you have to construct a co-occurrence matrix. Okay, then see, this is a co-occurrence matrix between the target words and the context word. Target words on this side, context words on this side, and my context window is the entire sentence. Automobile, wheel, in automobile together occurring in the entire sentences one time. Wheel with transport, car with transport is occurring 2 times in two different types. Like that, football with goal is occurring 2 times. Remaining all you make it 0. This is my, so first thing, each one carries marks. First identifying the target words, 1 mark. Vocabulary, if you correctly identify only, you can make a matrix that carries some marks. Then you creating this matrix carries marks. Then if you want, you can show as an example taking two context words like goal and tournament, and you can goal and transport, and you can draw a matrix, and you can show how automobile is more related to transport and car, and how goal is related. Goal is not related to automobile. Football is not related to transport, but automobile is related to transport but not related to goal. Like that you can show by taking two context words, and you can draw a graph like this, and you can show that. Okay, then this is the similarity dot product, taking each of the context word target words. Car with automobile with car, automobile with soccer, automobile with football, first combination over. Then take car with soccer, car with football, soccer with football. Then whichever is the highest, you make a two table. These words are related. Automobile and car is more related. Soccer is related to football. Car is not related to football. Car is not related to soccer. So unrelated words, related words, semantically related words, you can compute like that. Okay, so this is an example to show that for that question. Similarly, for the other one, I'll show 1 minute. Everything I have put up there, you can check it. If you want to have a doubt, you can open that slides and you can go through once and you can solve it. If you know, you can start doing it, students. No need to wait. If you have forgotten the things, I want to show the same example once again so that you'll get an idea instead of sitting simply. These are all the examples which are homonymy, polysemy, synonymy, antonymy, hypernymy, hyponymy, meronymy. For these, I want an example which is not there in the given slide. If you want, you can check here, right, piece, like that you find something, some words. Okay, having a same pronunciation but different meaning. Okay, wait, WEIGHT, WAIT. This is an example for homophones. Like that you create. Otherwise, whenever I ask in a Viva, the same right, piece, don't tell it. You think and find out some examples. Two examples you write. Okay, that will be better. So I give. This is only I am asking. This example only we have solved. So I have given an example sentence like this. Money in the bank, this bank fetches an interest of 8% per annum. So first thing you have to identify the target word, which is already given in the first question. Then context words you identify. And you make a table like this. One side, these are all the context words. This is sense 1, this is sense 2. For the root word, which is a root word given, bank. One is the finance and the other is a location. Then for each this context, take this context word, whether it's related to this sense or this sense. If it is this sense plus 1, other will be 0. If it is not related to both the sense, put 0. Then total, make a total of sense 1, make a total of sense 2, whichever has the highest score. So that sentence, the money in this bank fetches an interest of 8% per annum, belongs to sense 1 financial thing, not the location. Like that you have to conclude. Is that fine? Can you all start doing that? Problems? Can you all start working on the problems? I'll give some 10 minutes, then I'll ask you to tell the answers. Is that fine, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I will repost it again. I don't know why this color is coming again and again. You can able to see the read the second question. Third one, that is target word distributional semantics. At least the 6 sentences you can able to read it, right? Vishnu, can you able to read the 6 sentences?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The last one. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Wait, I'll change the.
Ma'am, paste using Control Shift V, ma'am.
Control Shift V. 1 minute, then wait. Control Shift V. Yeah, it came properly. Otherwise, I have to thought. Now it's there. Last thing you see. Okay. And that orange one also I put it. That also you can do it. All the questions, it is there in the chat window. I will stop sharing it. For that orange is a fruit which is round in shape and sour in taste. For that you have to calculate the score. Okay. I have not completed the same as that of the first question, but here census is not given, root word is not given. You have to identify for that root. See, you would have identified one root word, other would have identified one root word. So for that root word, whichever you have identified, you identify the sense, correct sense, and you prove that for this root word, this sentence belongs to this sense 1 or sense 2. Similarly, for distributional semantics also, we will not get a common answer. Okay, because based on the target words you are identifying and based on the features you are identifying, that is the vocabulary you are identifying, it may vary, but the concept should be same. Finally, you have to end up the dot product, give a proper similarity between the words. Some 90% it may be correct, some 10% what you have identified and what I have identified may differ, because I have not given the target words directly in the question. Since you are identifying, some would have think that this is the main target word, some they have neglected it. But try to identify all the target words. Target words, when you're identifying, it should have some features on it. And that feature has to be explained in the points in the data set. Such words you identify as the target words, main words. Can you all able to understand what I am saying? Can you able to do it now? Another 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes only is there. Can you all able to finish it off? Yes or no, Navya?
Yes.
You are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwin KM. I will stop sharing students so that the questions are there in the meeting chat. Okay. Now time is 9:58. By 10:05, I'll ask each one of you to say the answers. What you have identified as the target words, what you have identified as a contact word, at least you can explain. Again, I am telling it need not be similar for each and every student. Based on your understanding what you have identified, based on that concept, you have to move around. Ashwin KM, are you here? Ashwin KM, Varun, Bilakanti Varun.
Yes, ma'am.
What you are doing? Which problem?
Ma'am, that 6 points on no? Identifying the root word. So
6.7. What you are telling, Varun?
you have given 6 sentences, no, ma'am. That's
First, you have started with distributional semantics, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start doing from the first one so that it is easy for me to discuss, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hitesh, which one you are doing, Hitesh? Hitesh is here.
I'm seeing how to do that.
Seeing how to do that. That's why I have given a gist of that, right? Overview of that. Okay. Look into it and start doing it. That's why I opened and showed where that examples are. Otherwise, searching that example itself, you will finish off this hour. Today's class and tomorrow's we'll finish off all the tutorials, and next week another 2-3 topics are there. I think I can able to finish by next week. You have a quiz on Wednesday, students. That is for only 15 minutes. I'll take for half an hour, and last 15 minutes you can have your quiz on Wednesday. And Thursday mixed quiz will be there. Quiz 4 for 3 students, 3 or 4 students. Quiz 1 who has missed. Likith and Gautam missed quiz 2. Sri Datta missed quiz 1. 3 people you will be having quiz 4 on Thursday. Timings I'll let you know. It may be a written quiz or it may be a oral viva. Okay. Sri Datta is here. Likith, Gautam. Have you noted? Likith, Gautam, Sri Datta. All 3 are not here. Okay, fine. For quiz 3, the portions are from CKY till distributional semantics and lexical semantics, everything. Another 2 more weeks are there. I think by next week we can finish it off. Last week I can, after completing your quiz 3, I can display your internals by next Wednesday, next to next Wednesday. So tomorrow we'll finish off the tutorial part. CKY tomorrow, one day we'll sit and solve and finish it off. Vishnu, you have done all the 5 problems?
Ma'am, I did the probability one, ma'am.
Only that you have done. Okay. Can you send that probability question, because I am not having it somewhere?
Yes.
I have.
I'll send it in the chat, ma'am.
Yeah, chat. You put it in the chat window. I'll copy paste and put it in a Word file so that I can share that Word file tomorrow.
Ma'am, the image, ma'am, like whatever image you shared.
Yeah, I have copy pasted somewhere from some question paper.
Okay.
So that's why that is like an image. So I thought you post it here. I'll paste it in a Word file so that I can share that Word file tomorrow along with the remaining 3 questions. I have given some 4 questions. One only I think most of you have solved in the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this probability is a second question. Another 3 more is there. So 4 questions. Vishnu, can you make it as for that 4 question in a Word file and can you post it here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or all 5 questions together. First question, let it be the first question. That probability question, you make it a second one, and remaining 3, 4, 5. In that order, you put it in a Word file and post it here in the chat section so that I can post it in the post. Otherwise, you put it in the file section itself as a Word file.
Yes,
Mm, thanks. After this class, if you put it also fine. Hitesh started doing. No response. Sairam Charan.
I'm doing, ma'am.
Which one you are doing, Sairam?
First one, it is last. I'm completing. First
Okay, so what are all the context words you have identified in the first question for the puppy, dog, barks, something, right? What are the root word already given? Bark. Senses already given. One is a sound of the dog, other is a tree. Okay, bark of the tree. The 2 senses. What are the context words you have identified? Only thing is you have to identify the context words and you have to identify the score. So what are the context words you have identified, Sairam?
ma'am, this one, like I did, now you put no, ma'am, one question. That one I'm doing, ma'am. That I didn't.
I told you from the first question you have to start, right? First question should be Walker's algorithm. Second is also the Walker's algorithm with orange fruit, so that it is easy for us to discuss. Third
Okay,
one can be a distributional. Fourth one can be the example.
I will do, ma'am. First I will do that one.
Anyone completed first one? I want the context words which you have identified so that others also can check whether the same context words. I told it will not be similar. It may differ based on your understanding and your how you look that sentence. Pranati, what is the context words you had identified for the first question? Sai Pranati.
1 minute, ma'am. I'm
Yeah,
still
yeah.
doing.
Okay, do it. Taking so much time for small problems, then I think this also you will not complete it by today. Every day some pending problems will be there.
Ma'am, actually that CYK algorithms, ma'am, you gave a question in a Word document only, ma'am.
Yeah, but that one is not there, pa. That Word document is there in the file section. I already have posted it. But the second question is not there in that Word document, I
Ma'am,
guess.
I've added that question to that Word document.
Okay,
I'll
thanks. Then
share
that
it
Word
with-
document has all 5, right?
Now it has all five. I'll just
Okay,
share it.
initially I had only 4, and that fifth one I have searched in some question paper 2 years back in some question paper, and I posted it here. So that I have not added in that Word file, but I know that the remaining things I have uploaded in the post section, file section. So now in the file section, all 5 questions are there, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just updating that one. I'm just adding that.
Okay. You update it as a second question so that tomorrow let them start with that. If
Okay.
you put it as the last, they will not do that. At the end, they will leave that.
Yes, ma'am.
And make it as a second one because already first one they would have done. Harshit, nobody has done the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one you are doing, Harshit? Can you tell me what are the context words you are identified for the first sentence? First question.
Ma'am, Mary, puppy dog eats door.
Puppy is one thing, dog is other one. Puppy dog
Ma'am,
you cannot.
Yes, ma'am. I took two different only.
Okay, Mary, you took. Okay. See, context is what? Sound of a dog and bark of a tree. Based on that sense, you have to take the context, right? Okay,
Yes,
Mary
ma'am.
will
That's
not.
why I gave 0, ma'am.
Okay, you have given 0. Better. Okay, fine. So anybody else has identified any other thing? Eat can be a context word, right? Dog will eat.
Yes, ma'am. Eat I took, ma'am.
You took okay. Okay, fine, Harshil. Start moving to the second one, orange. Make it fast today. You have to complete all the 4. Otherwise, I will not leave. No break. Only 10 more minutes left. So second question, as we discussed, we know root word is an orange and 2 senses. One is the fruit and other is the color. So already it is discussed, so you know everything. So only thing you have to make a table and you have to score for the scores. Why I have given that as sometimes root will not be given and context words will not see, tenses will not be given. So in that case, you should know how to find that. Don't there you ask tense is not given in the question paper, or don't tell that. If nothing is given, you make it and you identify and you do it. Sairam, you have finished first one?
No, ma'am, doing.
Okay, do it fast. Anyone completed distributional semantic question? If you started with that, have anyone completed distributional semantics and tell me which are all the words similar and which are all the words not similar? Nobody has done that.
Ma'am, just started it.
You started. Okay, others? Why Gautam is on hold? Gautam, I called you for informing quiz 4. Gautam, Likit. Chandramaulika, which one you are doing, ma?
I'm doing the
Which one for matrix?
yes.
Okay. Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one you are doing?
I'm doing the third one, ma'am.
Okay. Somalingeshwar Reddy? Somalingeshwar Reddy. Vikash? Vikas Chaudhary? Maruti Reddy? If you have completed the distributional semantics, anyone, can you tell me which are all the words similar and which are the words not similar after taking the dot product?
Ma'am, in distributional semantics, when we are considering the count, ma'am, if there is an indirect relation, should we take it like
How? Which one
ma'am?
can?
Yes, ma'am. I took the word cricket, ma'am,
Okay.
and bat. That's the context word, one of the context words.
Okay.
Now, the bat is there in the first sentence. Cricket and bat both are there in the first sentence.
Okay.
But in second sentence, it is like before he starts the game, and then so few words, and then again bat is there.
No, no, second, in that sentence only you have to identify. So because our context window ends in one sentence, right?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
So when you're taking one context and one target, your window should be within that sentence only.
Okay, okay.
You cannot take the entire data set. Otherwise, they would have given entire data set as a context window, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Got it. Ma'am, in that case, we'll have one target per sentence.
Okay. So everything is 1-1 only you're getting.
Huh.
Because that's why it is 1-1. Can you able to make out why I have given like that? Because entirely opposite. The given data set if you take, it is not at all related in any way.
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll get only in that set. But the data set will not be like that. It will be related to some way. That will be words which is common in both contexts. The data set will explain about two contexts. And there are some words which is common in both the contexts. Then only you'll get a higher count.
Yes, ma'am. Only one word is there, ma'am. Health is there in this example.
Yeah. Only one is there, not many words like previous example.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, students. So at least till here distributional semantics part you finish off today. Tomorrow we'll start with that examples of holonymy, homonymy, everything. We'll take some 10 minutes to finish off that question. Then we'll go for CKY algorithm and tomorrow we finish off the tutorial session. Okay, is that fine? At least till distributional semantics part, first 3 questions you finish. The examples for all the terminologies we will discuss tomorrow. I'll ask one by one what examples you have identified, others identify, so that you will get an idea. Till here, if you are not completed, you complete it and come for tomorrow's third hour class. So that tomorrow third hour, you don't wait for me. Once the class starts, you can write the examples in your notebook for all the terminologies. I'll call each one of you so that we'll discuss, so that we'll get many examples for the same terminology. If I ask Meronin, you would have given some example. Likith would have given some example. Now Likith has joined. Likith, at the end of the class, you will join. Simply has joined, I think, no response. Then after that, we can go and work with CKY algorithm. That problems is also already there in the tutorial section. Okay, in the file section. At least the second one and third one, I want you to do it. Is that fine? If you're not completed, complete it first 3 at least today's question and come back for the tomorrow's class. Can we leave, students? Is that fine?
Yes.
Yes, Vishnu. No others? Why no response? Ashwin, Sai Ashrit, Ramakrishna Pranav. Finish till third question. Okay, Ramakrishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining things tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. Can we leave, students, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Why today so many are not there? At least whoever will speak are also not there. Pranati. Why everybody is silent today? Manasa will be there. Priya. Some at least 5, 6 only. Every time they will tell at least something. Those people also is not there today. Others will not open their mouth. Gautam is on hold from the beginning till the end of the class. Okay, students, we'll see tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, students.
Ma'am, recording stop, ma'am.